Today we're going to have some fun with rockets and do some space science. So for this experiment, we need a rocket launcher bottle, we need a toilet roll, we need some tape. I'm using masking tape, but sellotape will work fine. And we need some paper. Okay, so my bottle is actually a rocket launcher. Why do you think that is? I'll give you a clue. I'm going to squeeze it. All the air whooshes out the top and sends our rocket up into space. So we need to make a rocket. So you get your toilet roll tube and your paper and you wrap it round and apply some tape. So here is what I've got. Now let's give it a go, shall we? Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that wasn't very good, was it? Why do you think that didn't work? Well, I wonder if it's because all the air that whooshed out of here came straight through the tube. So what we need to do is fold over the top like this, okay? You could tape it as well if you like. Shall we try again? This way it traps the air inside and helps it whoosh up into space. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off! That was much better, wasn't it? Shall we try again? Okay. This one I've taped shut, so let's see if it works any better. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off! Wow, that went really high. What you can do is make more exciting looking rockets. Decorate them with pens, add some wings. Let's try this one. Okay, are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off! Wow, that one went really high. Well, I hope you enjoy playing with rockets as much as I have. Have a lovely day playing in space.